Hi, welcome to priority queue session. Priority queue is following the queue data structure where data items will be deleted from the front end and the data will be added into the queue in the back end, but which is using the priority key value to store the data into the priority queue. The queue is kept sorted by this priority key value. The request with the highest priority is processed first, and the priority is indicated by the number, the lower number, and which is having the higher priority, the higher number which is having the lower priority, again which is based upon the ascending order or descending order. In the descending order priority queue, the highest value which is the value itself acting as a priority key, so which is having the high priority. Suppose if our priority queue is having the numbers in ascending order, like here 1, here 5, 6, 7. So in this priority key, so this is the front end, and this one is the rear end, and here this is the value which is indicating by peak variable. So this number is having the high priority in ascending order. So in this one, for example, we can take the students ranking who are written the entrance exam. So who is having the high priority, who's secured the first rank. So first rank is having the highest priority, then fifth rank is having the next priority. So like that we can arrange the values by using the priority key value. So here the lowest number is having the high priority. Characteristics of the priority queue is having three characteristics, so which is not allowing the null values. For example, the priority queue does not have the null values in between the values. For example, here this is 5, this is 8, 9. So here it will not allow the free space in the priority queue. So null values cannot be allowed in the priority queue, and non-comparable objects also cannot be created by the priority queue. That means the values which should be able to compare, then only you can arrange by using the priority based order. Okay, the highest priority, lowest priority, like that we should able to compare the values by using the priority key. Otherwise we cannot use that values to store inside the priority queue data structure. The front end of the queue contains least element or large elements. That's what already we have indicated here. The large element is acting as a highest priority in this type of the priority queue, but here in this priority queue the lower element, smaller element, is acting as a priority key as per the natural of ordering, right? Sorting. Then applications of the priority queues are used in different domains. The CPU process scheduling, we can use the priority queue. The priority scheduling is there, so there highest priority job will get the microprocessor first, then next priority process will get the second. So like that, based upon the priority, the CPU scheduling will be done for processing the job. Then print queues. So in the printer we can use the queue to give the highest priority. For example, in Xerox machine, we can use the priority to take the Xerox copy of high priority job. And event driven simulation, here the in the real time traffic, the signals can be changed based upon the priority. For example, when when vehicles are in the queue, if any ambulance or any VIP is coming in through that way, the traffic will be given to that ambulance based upon the high priority value. And in VLSI design, the channel routing, that path, chip level circuit design and also pin layout can be designed by using the priority. And the artificial intelligence searching algorithms also can using the priority value to search the given data based upon the high priority. The operations are creating the priority queue with the maximum size of the queue and adding the elements into the priority queue based upon the priority key, and deleting the element based upon the highest priority. So highest priority value will be deleted first from the priority queue. Then as usual, full and empty methods are used to check the given priority queue is full, and the empty is used to check the given priority queue is empty, like that. So here the priority queue can be implemented by using different other data structures. The array can be used to implement the priority queue. Linked list also can be used to design the priority queue, and heap data structure also can be used to design the priority queue. uh, and we are having different types of priority queue. Ascending order priority queue. In the ascending order priority queue, the value will be arranged in the ascending priority key based ascending order. Again, here the value itself is acting as a priority key, acting the value, this 6 itself data, and also acting as a priority key. So this data is playing a dual role, which is the data and also priority key. Okay, so which is playing as a dual role. So the data will be arranged by using the priority key only, not the value of data. So here the priority key is 6 and also data also 6. So 6 is lower priority, higher priority than the 10. So the smallest value which is having the higher priority in ascending order priority queue. And next one is a descending order priority queue. In the descending order priority queue also, the data itself playing as a playing with dual role, the data and also priority key. So the in the descending order, the largest number is acting as a highest priority. Second largest is acting as a second priority key. Okay, second priority. So third largest value will be acting as a third priority. So here the larger number will act as a priority with high priority. So depends upon the nature of the given data, the priority key, either larger number or lowest number will get highest priority. Thanks for watching.